So welcome my Algebros to a new lesson. In this case we will get into divisions through differentiations, which the name goes to quotient rule. As we've already seen, product rule, this one comes to be a little bit similar in terms of the formula to guide it. But in this case we have an application of subtraction and division. So let's go on. Our formula will be the following one. So our f prime of x will equals to u prime of x multiplied to bx. Here you can see it is similar to the multiplication, but the difference comes here with the subtraction, and we have our ux and our b prime over here. So you might think it is over, but no, as we also add division, making honor to the proper name of quotient, and this division will be bx. Our bx comes to be powerful to become by powerful to be a denominator, as it comes to be to the square power. So now let's go on to a problem in order to understand how we can apply this formula. So our problem for today is gonna be easy. Fx equals 2 divided by x5 minus 5. So you're wondering, oh, how do I solve this? So it is easy. We already have our ux identified and our bx. So now we can get our primes, which are the following. So because the u prime x of 2, you're wondering what it is it? What it is it? My friends, could you tell me? Yes, that you guessed correctly. It is an only number without a variable, so it comes to be 0. And in this case for b prime of x, what it is it? Yes, minus 5 is also a number without a variable, so it comes to be 0. So the only one that we need to get the prime is x of 5. It comes to be 5x to the 4th power. So now let's get on with the solution of our problem. How do we do it? Easy again, my guys. So we already have u prime of x, which comes to be 0, multiplied by our bx. So 0 multiplied by our x5 minus 5, and the subtractions come over here, so our numerator will be negative, being coming to be our 2 multiplied in this case by our 5x4. So it comes to be easy, as here we divided to our bx, which is x5 minus 5, 2 and a square power. So now let's simplify it and get our easy answer. So here, as already told you, 0 times x5 minus 5 is 0. So we just only need to focus on the 2 times 5x4. In this case, the 2 only multiplies the 5 and the x4 remains. So in the numerator, as easy done, we have a minus 10 x to the 4th power. But now comes the difficult part. Since over here we need to solve the x5 minus 5 to the 2nd power. So first we multiply x5 times x5, which comes to be x to the 10th power. Now let's multiply minus 5 times minus 5. What do you find it to be? Yes, it is negative, so it becomes positive, plus 25. And we're missing something. x5 minus 5. We multiply those values and we will get minus 5x to the 5th power. But there are two values remaining, so we have it like this. 5x 5 minus 5x5. So it is easy because we copy what we already have and we just simplify this. Minus 5x to the fifth power minus 5x to the fifth power, we get minus 10x to the fifth power. Since it's only subtraction, we easily copy the exponent. So this was our solution for today. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it helps you. Be aware, cause today we're gonna upload more videos about quotient rule, cause there are other ways to work it, and it's going to be with sine, cosine, and other things. So be aware. Thank you for your attention, and Algebros, continue practicing.